Hello Zimbabwe, how are you doing? How are you this morning? We thank God for the rains. Today I want to be teaching you a song. We got a request on one of our songs on YouTube. We got a request for a song named Apo Jesu Achiuya. It's a hymn song. So today I'm going to be teaching you that song. So this is what I'm going to do on this video. I will teach you the basic way of playing that song, and then I'll teach you the intermediate way of playing that song. And then you can learn from basic to intermediate from the same tutorial. So let's get right into it. So this is how you play the song. This is the basic way. So we're gonna be doing 1-4-1-5, but basically it goes like this. Apo Jesu Achiuya kutora anotora wakanaka aowa omuda vanhu vake vachene vasina chitema vanoenda kudenga That is the basic way of playing this song. So it's basically 1-4, 1-4, 1-5, 1-4, 1-4, 1-5, 4, 1-4, 1-5. So now we're going to be moving to the intermediate way of playing that song. So basically I am going to be playing the same way I was playing, but this time I'll be adding some arpeggios, and I'll also be adding some melodies using chords. So this is how I would play that song. Apo Jesu Achiuya So basically this is what is happening on this intermediary level. I am going to be playing the same way that I was playing from the basic, but just that in between the chords I am going to be adding some melodies. And some of these melodies you might add using chords. Some of them you might add using single notes. Like when I play something like this, these are basic notes. And these are chords. So if I am using chords, this is exactly what I would do. I would follow the patterns and try to make sure that my chords will be singing the words that someone will be singing. So basically that's what I would do, and this is how I would play Apo Jesu Achiuya on an intermediary level. So, Zimbabwe, this is how I would play the song Apo Jesu Achiuya from the basic to the intermediate level. I hope you guys are learning, and I hope you can keep on giving us more questions and more requests. We will give you all the tutorials that you need. Music Corner aiding your expressiveness.